Rajya Sabha MP Raghav Chadha has now spoken about the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's bail hearing. He has hit back at the argument that has been given by Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju appearing for the central agency, that is the CBI, during the court hearing on Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's plea challenging his arrest in the alleged excise policy scam. Now, questioning Kejriwal's petition, Advocate Raju had stated in the Supreme Court that if the top court grants bail to Aam Aadmi Party chief, it will demoralize the Delhi High Court. Now, countering his argument, Raghav Chadha has stated if the sun rises from the east, it will demoralize the west. Meanwhile, of course, Raghav Chadha has in fact hit out at Additional Solicitor General, and the top court had earlier of course reserved its order on Kejriwal's separate plea seeking bail and challenging his arrest by the CBI in the alleged excise policy scams. Shubh Rana with us on the broadcast with more details. Shubh, over to you.
Yes, definitely, Priya, because Raghav Chadha have been hitting out of this argument of ASG S.V. Raju, which he has said that if Supreme Court grants bail to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, it will demoralize Delhi High Court. And the reply given by Raghav Chadha to a Twitter post says that if sun rises from the east, then it will demoralize the west. This is the argument which have been put forward by the Member of Parliament Raghav Chadha, and he have been saying that how can it demoralize, the High Court's decision? Also the Rajya Sabha MP Raghav Chadha has hit back at the argument given by Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju appearing for the central agency CBI, where during the court hearing on Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal's plea challenging his arrest in the alleged excise policy scam, wherever the questioning have happened, where Mr. Kejriwal's petition, Mr. Raju said in the Supreme Court that if the top court grants bail to Aam Aadmi Party chief, then it will demoralize the Delhi High Court. And countering this argument, Raghav Chadha have completely hit out at ASG Raju, where he has said that if sun rises from the east, it will demoralize the west. The war of words have emerged, of course, in this matter, because Aam Aadmi Party was very positive that Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal could come out, because K. Kavita have got bail, Manish Sisodia have got bail, and Aam Aadmi Party top leadership Sanjay Singh was also out for the same matter. So therefore, Aam Aadmi Party was completely positive about Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal getting bail. But this argument have been hit back by Raghav Chadha.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.